Hey guys, we received this Mr. Pen sticky note set, 400 pieces for test and try, Morandi colors, sticky notes, tabs, school supplies or the office supplies, planner sticky notes, book notes, Bible sticky notes or the sticky notes. So this have also have a sticky notes book. So let me just open up this. So as you can see, this have a complete set of the different sticky notes here. So this have a small like a sticky notebook, sticky notes, the Bible sticky notes, or the book notes, or planner sticky notes. So different sticky notes, nice quality, and can be used like for different purposes, and also a set of different notes. So total 400 sticky notes with the 40 sheets of each set, one with the one book cover thing, and it's you can be used for like different purposes for your journaling